The 2024 Ford Capri has recently received a 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP, showcasing its commitment to protecting drivers, passengers, and even pedestrians. Built with advanced safety features, this model excels across various categories, ensuring peace of mind for families and commuters alike. In Adult Occupant Protection, the Capri performed exceptionally well with a stable passenger compartment in frontal crash tests. Most critical areas of the driver and passenger bodies were well protected, although the driver's lower leg protection was rated as adequate. The car also achieved top scores in side impact scenarios, demonstrating strong resistance to collision forces. However, there was room for improvement in control of occupant movement during far side impacts. Thankfully, Ford equipped the Capri with a system that limits the risk of passenger injuries in such incidents, enhancing overall occupant safety. The Child Occupant Protection category also saw the Capri earn high marks. Full points were awarded for the protection of key body areas in child crash tests. The front passenger airbag can be switched off to accommodate rearward-facing child seats, a convenient feature for families with young children. Additionally, the vehicle clearly alerts the driver about the airbag's status, reducing any risk of misuse. For vulnerable road user protection, the Capri's autonomous emergency braking system detects pedestrians and cyclists, responding effectively in unexpected situations. While its reaction to pedestrians was rated as adequate, the system provided strong protection against common cyclist-related accidents, such as avoiding open-door collisions. In the Safety Assist category, the Capri includes intelligent adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, and a wrong way alert. A seatbelt reminder system for front and rear passengers also comes standard. With this comprehensive suite of safety features, the 2024 Ford Capri not only meets but exceeds modern safety expectations, making it a solid choice for those who prioritize safety in their driving experience.